Section 7. The Mercedes-Benz experience. More than just a car. Owning a Mercedes-Benz is more than just owning a car. It's about experiencing a lifestyle. From the moment you step into a Mercedes-Benz dealership, you're treated to a level of service and attention that is second to none. Mercedes-Benz dealerships are designed to provide a luxurious and welcoming environment where customers can relax and explore the brand's latest offerings. The Mercedes-Benz ownership experience extends beyond the dealership. The brand offers a range of exclusive events and experiences designed to connect with its customers on a personal level. From track days at legendary racing circuits to exclusive culinary events, Mercedes-Benz strives to create unforgettable experiences for its discerning clientele. Section 8. The price of prestige. Considering the costs. Owning a Mercedes-Benz comes with a certain price tag, both literally and figuratively. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are premium products and their prices reflect the high quality of materials, advanced technology, and meticulous craftsmanship that goes into each one. The cost of owning a Mercedes-Benz extends beyond the initial purchase price. Insurance, maintenance, and repairs can be more expensive compared to mass-market brands. However, it's important to note that Mercedes-Benz vehicles are built to last. With proper care and maintenance, a Mercedes-Benz can provide many years of reliable and enjoyable driving. Furthermore, Mercedes-Benz offers a range of financing and leasing options to make its vehicles more accessible to a wider range of buyers.